All right, brand new product for us here at Companion is the Rover 100. It's an extension of our Rover range. It looks very similar to the Rover 40 that you may have seen. It's just a much bigger version. To turn it on, you just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. As you can see, a cooling fan kicks in, the display illuminates, and you've got all the information you can want there. There's multiple outlets, so there's a normal 12 volt cigarette plug there, 2 DC jack outlets there for LED strip lighting, 2 normal USB-A outlets there, and 2 USB-C outlets for faster charging and charging of bigger devices. Covering off the outlets on the Rover 100, there are 2 grey Anderson plugs there, and also an extra normal cigarette 12 volt outlet as well. There are multiple ways to charge the Rover 100. You do get an AC adapter with the product, and it simply plugs into the wall and plugs into the input socket there. You also get a cigarette plug 12 volt charge lead that can plug into your vehicle while you're traveling, and then into the small black and red Anderson plug on the input side of the unit right there. This lead also comes with a fuse, so it's fuse protected to prevent any damage. You do also get a third adapter lead. This is for solar connection, so it's got a grey Anderson plug at one end and a little red and black mini Anderson plug at the other. And it plugs into that same input area, and then you connect your solar connection there. Importantly, this product has a built-in 10 amp Mppt solar controller. So you must provide unregulated solar to this connection here. You can't have a controller inline anywhere else. The solar controller lives inside of here, and it will do all the work with what it needs to charge the battery. The Companion Rover 100 does have a couple of lighting options. It's got a torch light built into the front here, where you just press and hold the spotlight button for 3 seconds and the light will come on. It does also have different settings. There's a strobe setting and a pulse setting as well. The second lighting function we have in the Rover 100 lives on the back panel. We call it the area light. It's a 5 watt LED light, so it's quite bright. Plenty bright enough if you set it up in the corner of a campsite in the dark for everyone to be able to see what they're doing during setup or pack up. With the Rover 100, the first question a lot of people will ask is how heavy is it? It's LiFePO4 lithium battery, so it's really lightweight for its size and capacity. It weighs 10.5 kilos and is quite an easy lift for one person, being mindful that a product like this will power a campsite, running things like fridges, charging devices for up to 4 days without any assistance. So there you have it, the Rover 100. We're super excited about this product. It's going to really enable people to extend their stay. As I said, it'll power a normal campsite for up to 4 days, and if you add solar to the range, you'll be able to stay indefinitely. So enjoy the Rover 100.